welcome to my vlog. As you can see by the title, we're going out. My sister's 24th birthday. We're headed to Orlando and yeah, so I'm gonna tell y'all the restaurant, or y'all probably already know the restaurant, but I'm gonna show y'all the restaurant when we get there and just the whole nine. But I'm gonna see y'all when we pack up and get on the road and head out. I just want to record this intro because y'all know daylight savings wanna get dark real early, so I didn't know if it was gonna be light when we head out. So hey, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye y'all. Hey y'all, so we made it to Millennium Mall. I thought we was going to the eye, y'all, but we're at Millennium Mall and we're gonna eat at Capitol Grille here. We've been here before. We ate at Capitol Grille before for my little sister Mariah's birthday, so it was real good. So you know we had to come back. Last time I had lamb chops and them things was good. That was my first time having lamb chops, so we're gonna see what I get this time, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we get outside. Happy birthday, money. Period.
I can take one of these back.
Okay, so y'all, quick review. Let me tell y'all about the French onion bread that they had. So they have French onion bread, y'all, and this is so good. Like, it's soft and it's so bad. Like, if y'all come, Mom, making a video. If y'all come to Capitol Grille, make sure y'all get the French onion bread.
You ate the last piece.
I ate the last piece.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yep.
So good, y'all.
Just put it next to mine down here. Yeah, that's so put it on the opposite side.
I still don't like that it don't close all the way up.
Okay, y'all, so we're still here. We just had our like appetizers or whatever, but we're waiting on our food. Let me tell y'all something. This French onion soup,
We'll give it an 8.
it was an 8. It was okay.
I would have been a 10 if it was oxtail.
It needs some. They said it needs some oxtails. In
That's
it,
what it
so
sure do need.
maybe it do
Look
need
at the
some oxtails.
calamari.
But the calamari here, I don't eat that, y'all. Nasty stuff.
Oh, I
Done. So yeah, we're still waiting on the food, but I'll show y'all the food when it get here. We took some pictures with the camera. The camera doesn't have a name, but that's okay. So yeah, no. But yeah, so I'm gonna tell you the next clip. Jesus, hang it up.
Okay. 10 out of goddamn 10. We had us a time.
The lamb chops were the bomb.
Yeah, and my sea bass, delightful.
And the clam chowder was.
The lobster biscuits.
How was your food?
It was good, yeah.
Girl, you a pop killer.
And it was a nice birthday. I had a good time.
Was warming.
Did you look at that other gift I got?
I'll look at it later.
So where we going? Y'all got y'all desserts.
Girl, we ate our dessert. Well, y'all ate the cheesecake down. Y'all didn't even give everybody y'all like a chance to eat
So what
it.
y'all saying is we not going nowhere.
And I'm the mom, so I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy
Let's
and I'm
fill out.
24. Let's definitely.
So we're going home.
We're going home and we're gonna end it here.
I'm going tomorrow.
All right, so that's a
Happy
short
birthday to
vlog.
me.
Again, happy birthday to this girl.
Hey.
Did 24. She old, but it's okay. She could be old. And but thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.